Just out the gate.
Holy shit. That's a good start.
Yeah, I was like, don't do anything dumb. I'm gonna go up here and then. Jesus. That'll do it.
Air filter's mint though, eh?
What's that?
Air filter.
Yeah, it stayed out of the thing.
Tough.
That's solid. Wow.
Holy.
Oh, good start to the day, boys.
Yeah, nice.
What do you reckon?
So it'll be sucked in at the front wheel. Nice wet boots for the beginning.
Dude, that was the softest thing ever.
You can go so straight down and over.
Yeah.
Oh.
Did you miss it?
Yeah.
Oh, I kind of got half of it. I got the endo. I
This
just
is
saw
not
it
too
coming
salty
in.
in here.
I'm just gonna accept
wiggle
defeat
it, I'll
and
pull
get
it
the
up.
whip.
What's that?
If you wiggle it and I'll pull it up.
Oh, it just filled up.
Look, it's getting fucking.
No, it's going deeper. Okay. Yeah, because it's still running out.
Can we do the back end? Can the back end come across with it?
Trying to pull it up and out. This is such a sick beach though. I love the little jumpies.
I always do something like this when there's too many cameras.
Thumbnail.
Look at that, bro.
Oh, that's good.
You filming? Yeah.
I don't know how that's coming in.
Need a shovel, eh?
I've got a shovel on my truck.
We might need to get it actually. You just want to go get it.
I've got to tell the others what happened.
You did it me, bro.
Bro,
Normally it's me.
I was like, yeah, there's not many hazards. I've never had this happen before.
How did that even happen?
This is so soft.
Through here. And it just grabbed your front wheel and you went over.
Yeah. I was gonna do like just jump up there, and I was like, oh, I'll go here.
Yeah, I stopped out there. I was like, fuck, it's so soft compared to last time we were on here.
Yeah.
Good done, dude.
Oh,
What's that?
Did you want to wash it?
Yeah. How long do you want to go on the beach?
Oh, I don't give a fuck. We'll go wash it now.
Yeah.
I might get mine a quick hose.
Actually, no, let's just do the beach and then I'll wash it after the beach.
Alright, yeah. Fuck, this place is sick.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But,
I had to remember not to jump these because we haven't seen them yet.
Yeah.
Because I'm silly.
Well, probably don't go any further down.
Yeah.
There's a creek there and rocks, so
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
there's a and it's a surf spot there.
Yeah.
Don't want to annoy too many people.
Yeah.
But this is the main Tora beach.
Yeah, it's fucking sick.
There's a beach further down the road, and also Tawai or Tawiti, which where that kind of steep hills are, the steep hills are.
Yeah.
A little bit of a beach there. But this is probably the better.
It's sick. I love it. I want one of these at home.
Yeah.
I just love the rollers.
Fuck, it's soft.
Yeah.
The seaweed under there almost makes it more soft because there's like little pockets of like air something.
Do you want to try this?
Maybe later.
On the no best spot. There's no power on the beach.
Oh, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. We'll save the. Yeah, we'll let you
You
ride
don't
this
have to do
later on.
anything you don't want to do.
Yeah. We'll just get the big part out of the day first and
Yeah.
then.
I'm just having a good time.
Alright, where's Sam?
I'm loving it. followed you off that big kicker over there,
Yeah.
and I fucking sent it properly.
We need a camera on you, eh?
No, you don't, because I'm
Did you overjump it like real bad?
very much. That was horrible. I landed crosswise.
Going this way?
Yeah. That was like scary. That's why I stopped hiding.
Yeah, I was like, what are you doing?
One of those got a little bit sideways. I
hit it
did
fifth-
get sideways off that big.
Yeah, I hit it at fifth gear. That one, you wouldn't want to go too fast for that one, eh?
I hit it fifth gear pin, and I hit a rut going up it. My rear end went.
Yeah.
So I
rut.
just do the and then it's all good. I love this beach. It's fun. I'm definitely gonna crash though. I need to get up it.
It's scary today.
All the ruts now are starting to get a bit sketchy.
It's sketchy, hey?
Every time I hit one, it's like sucks you in.
Mm.
It was way sketchier when
Yeah. Alright, shall we, I'm going to go back wash this and then we'll go out on the farm.
So we just give them all the hose.
Yeah. I looked at that, I was like, how the fuck
That's
Yeah, holy shit.
is that?
I'll go through that rut, but I'm not hitting that. Stand up.
Did you let air out of your tyre?
Yeah, it's at 9 on the rear.
Oh, yeah.
It's just rounded off. That's it.
Yeah.
That's a rounded off my paddle tire.
Yeah.
You need to stand up
I need more gas.
and stand up.
Oh,
When you get bucked, you're gonna go flying off.
Yeah, a lot more than the old beta.
We might need a.
Let it roll back a little bit.
Go. Yeah, that was hectic. I accidentally stalled it up there, and I started sliding backwards. I was like, no.
Yeah, not 450 country. Yeah.
Oh, I would.
I just have no grip on the rear.
Yeah, I guess you do.
Oh, you got a scoop tire.
Yeah.
Like,
It's rounded off.
no,
It's
you're
right on
sweet.
the road. So, I stitched myself up a bit here.
G down at the bottom
Yeah, I did as
and
well.
fucking hurt my back. That's
Fuck, I got booted so hard on that.
fucking hell. That's super steep.
That's pretty steep, eh? But it floats up quite nicely.
Yeah.
Got a nice kick, hey, to float up this next step.
Were you standing up there? Standing up. Oh.
It had a bit of roost there. I went straight over there. Yeah.
Yeah, it's like, it's not running there, so
Your turn.
that's gonna be sore tomorrow, eh?
Where's it? Oh, there.
Yeah. Solid, bro.
That gets the heart going.
Yeah.
traction?
Yeah.
Holy.
He's eyeing up some outrageous climb.
Yeah, I bet.
I just feel like off today. I'm not too sure if it's my exhaust, but it's like, I think it's just because it's so soft and my suspension's not really working that well.
Maybe because you crashed into the river.
Yeah, probably.
When you crash that early, it always like puts me off. Like I
Yeah.
start to feel like you get that feeling like the big one's coming.
Yeah.
Be safe. Don't be like me.
Fucking hell. Fucking hell. Holy shit.
Another day. $1.
That's pretty outrageous. So you're liking that pretty good on these?
Yeah, it's pretty fun.
That's what we're after. That kind of fun.
I left my fuel off.
Oh, fuck.
No, the fuel was off.
Oh, yeah, no, that'll do it.
And lying on the side of the hill.
Why did you turn it off?
Lying on the side of the hill.
Oh, yeah. That makes sense. Because on the pitter, I just.
Two-stroke leak.
Oh, true.
These hill climbs might be a bit.
Oh no, I just fucking, like, as I was trying to pull my bike down, I landed like this.
What's out of the way? It's dead. What the fuck?
Oh no.
That could have been bad. Fuck, sorry, bro. I was trying to go slow. I was trying to go slow and I just couldn't get moving.
Oh no, you're all good.
So I had to click up and get a fuck's sake, sorry, man.
Oh, you're fine. You're fine.
And then I was going to go that way, then I thought it was too weird.
No, it looks good. So, it's 2 hours to sunset.
We'll make our way back then.
Yeah.
It could be a while.
Yeah. That's so far. There's not even fucking no roast at all.
Nah.
Zero traction.
I feel bad.
Yeah.
Looks like his front wheel's like locking up.
Jesus.
What's that? I ran out though. I ran out when I just got back to the house. I didn't fill up. Did you have a drink before? No. Alright. Getting dark now, right?
Yeah. I don't even know if he's able to make it up there.
Yeah.
But that shit's hectic.
He might do.